Welcome everyone. Let's make cake at home. So for that we need to see the ingredients first. So you can see we have taken semolina, suji, and then we have sugar powder. I have taken red sugar powder. You can use your normal sugar powder or sugar, maida, white flour, baking soda, milk and oil. So this is the metallic cake mold I'm having. So I'm going to make cake in this. Also I'm having the brush for greasing oil. So now in a bowl I have taken semolina, suji rava. Then add white flour, maida. Mix it well with the help of spatula. Then add pinch of baking soda. I have taken 2 pinches of baking soda. You can add baking soda as per your quantity of making. So mix it well. Now I'm adding natural sugar. This is red natural sugar I'm using. You can use normal sugar powder or whole sugar also. So mix it very well with the help of spatula. See, no lumps will be there. Now it's time to add oil in it. I'm using 2 tablespoons of refined oil. As this is veg cake, so we are not using eggs. Instead of eggs, we are using oil. So now mix it up and add milk in it as per your quantity. You can add curd also. It's optional. I'm using milk in it and also I have added baking soda in it. Now it's time for mixing it very well. Now with the help of this hand blender or hand mixer, I'm going to blend it very well. Just blend it 20 to 25 minutes. Keep on blending or mixing. Keep it up. If you will blend it more, the batter will be more softer and your cake will form more better. So mix it as much as you can. Yes friends, so after resting for 1 hour, now you can see the batter. Wow, it's more thicker. What we need for good cake making is more thicker batter. So now it's almost ready. Just see the consistency. Wow, see it. Now it's time to put it in the mold. So now the mold is ready. So I have already greased some oil in it and also I am mixing some ghee also. You can use butter also. So it's your option. So put more amount of oil or butter, whatever you are using, so that your cake will not stick to the mold. It will easily come out. So now you can see with the help of the brush, I'm greasing oil. So almost done greasing. So now it's time to put the batter. So let's put it. Yes, very slowly put all batter in it. So friends, our steamer is also ready. So let's put the mold inside the steamer and close it. You can also check your steamer is having hole. So for fast steaming, you can close this hole with the help of atta. It's optional. I'm using for fast steaming. So now checking it, it's done or not. It's still not done. So after steaming 45 to 50 minutes, minimum half an hour, so now it's ready almost. So let's check it. Wow, it's quite fluffy. Now let's take it out of the steamer and keep it for cooling. Now it's time to demold the cake. Hope it will come out easily. So let's check it. So guys, get ready for the cake. 1, 2, 3. Are you ready to see? 1, 2, 3. And yes, we did it. So see the final look of our cake. This is the back, this is the front side. Friends, if you have any dry fruits or any kind of topping, so you can do it. And if you have your cream, so you can decorate it as well. I'm going to use it as it is. So I have tasted it. It's so yummy and you have to try it once. So if you like my channel, so please subscribe to